everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some beauty stuff to share. Actually, I'm going to be sharing beauty stuff today and Thursday. If you don't know my schedule here on my channel, if you're new to my channel, first, welcome. I usually post videos Tuesdays and Thursdays here on my channel. Sometimes I'll throw an extra one in on Wednesday. Sometimes I miss my Tuesday and Thursday and throw it up on another day, but most of the time you can count on videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays here on my channel. And today and Thursday I'm going to be sharing some beauty stuff. So today I'm going to be sharing Amazon beauty favorites, things that I love. Some I've shared in the past, but I don't share beauty too often. So today is Amazon stuff, and then Thursday I will be sharing like a bunch of my skincare favorites. So today I have some Amazon stuff. I'll have everything linked down below. I'm gonna not chat too much. I'm gonna keep it pretty quick and short. But if you have any questions, you can always message me down in the description box, or you can go over to my Instagram and always message me there. We can chat there too. So let's go ahead and get started. First up from Amazon is definitely a favorite. I have shared it in the past. I use it every single day. Are these beauty blenders. I believe they come in a pack of 5, but I have purchased the beauty blender over and over and over. I still really love the beauty blender, the original beauty blender, but these are like the closest I've come to the original, and it's way like cheaper. I think it's literally like it's in the $5 to $8 range for a pack of 5. So 100% worth it. I use them every single day. Actually just washed this one's dirty because I used it. These I just washed, and then this one I have not used yet. So you can kind of see when you dampen them, they expand much bigger. But they're really, you can see how squishy they are. They're a little harder when they're dry. Always wet your beauty blender or dampen it. You don't get it really soaking wet, just slightly damp is like the perfect way to apply your foundation. So I use this every single day. You've seen my makeup monthlies. If you haven't, you can see how I use these, but every single monthly makeup I'm always using these. So I love this. It is such a great Amazon find. So inexpensive, so good. Like I said, I use them every single day. All right, next up from Amazon is a skincare type of tool. It is this ice roller. I've had it now for months, and I use it almost every single morning. Every single morning, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and then I rub this over my face really quickly, throw my contacts in, and move along with my day. So I love it. Okay, so it comes with this little guy. So it comes with 2 little rollers here. This roller, I believe you can put in the fridge and get it really cold and then roll it over your face. So you can do that, or this little guy is like, it's just always really cold. So I really love it. It's a nice, and I like how big it is. So you could just do it really quick, and just kind of like, it just kind of helps to awaken my face. I've heard it's really good for your lymphatic system, but I feel like it just kind of awakens me, kind of gets the blood flowing in my skin and gets me ready for my day, and I love it. So if you want to try the ice roller, highly suggest it. It's really inexpensive off of Amazon, and I've been using it for, like I said, months now. Next up is my facial steamer. There are like thousands on Amazon that you can find. This one's from the brand Vanity Planet. I will have this one linked. There's definitely more inexpensive ones, and I've actually had a different one in the past, and then it kind of, after a couple years, I think of use, it lasted me a couple years, it kind of just died on me. So this one I've had for 2 years now, and I really love this one. It holds a lot of water, and it goes for quite a long time. And you can also, there's little things you can take off and put on here if you want to add essential oils. I don't do that. I just do a plain facial steam when I use it, but I really love it. It really just opens your pores. I feel like it's cleansing to your skin. It's cleansing to my sinuses. I really love the facial steamer. If you haven't tried a facial steamer or ever had one, I highly suggest getting one. Maybe you can start, I'll try to link another one that's maybe less expensive than this one. I think this one's around the $60 mark. The one I had before is around the $30 mark, so like half of the price of this. So I will try to find a less expensive one as well to link down below too. But I really love the facial steamer. Such a great Amazon purchase. I love it. All right, next up, I have some things that you can definitely buy not on Amazon, but you can also buy on Amazon. So if you're making an order, you can just throw this into your order and it comes so fast if you have Prime. So I love the Olaplex #3. This is the hair mask. It repairs and strengthens the bonds of your hair. It is amazing. I've talked about this so much in the past, but it is my favorite hair mask. I do it once a week and I have really noticed a difference in the strength of my hair. I have less breakage. It's not meant for like hydrating. It's actually meant to repair your hair. And I feel like my hair, I actually chopped my hair last year. I'm going to get a haircut finally this next week, but I have not gotten a haircut in a year. And I've had some great growth. There is a little bit of breakage on the bottom, which is why I need a trim. But this stuff has helped keep my hair super healthy. So, I can't live without this. And I can get it off Amazon, which is so convenient. I also really love Living Proof products. They're like my favorite hair care products of all time. Anytime I talk about my hair, I'm always talking about Living Proof. You can actually get Living Proof off Amazon as well, which is so cool. So again, if you're making an order, you're like, oh yeah, I need my dry shampoo, you can just tap it right into your cart and get it in 2 days, which is so nice if you have Prime. So this is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, absolute must have for me. And this is the Full Dry Volume Blast. I don't use this too often, but when I do, I just love it. It's so good. It's the best like volumizer hairspray type product. So it is so good. So love Living Proof, love the Olaplex. Definitely check it out. Again, you can buy it really a lot of other places, but it's nice that it's also on Amazon. Next up are these Tinkle razors. I've used these for years. They come in a really big pack for a pretty good price, and they are little facial razors. And yes, I shave my face. It literally just gets all the peach fuzz off. It is so nice, and your makeup goes on so much better. If you've never tried shaving your face, try it out. And if you have like a lot of peach fuzz, I always get it like right here, just like my mom. And we both use these. They're so good off of Amazon, and I just reorder them like constantly because I'm always using them, but really love it. Highly suggest it. If you haven't shaved your face, try it. It won't grow back darker. I promise it won't. Next up is a skincare product, and I'm really leery about skincare off of Amazon. There's some things that are safe, and I know that's good, but there's some things that I'm just like, I'm not gonna purchase. I don't know what that is, where it's coming from. But the Olaplex, the Living Proof, and Revision Skincare, that is coming from the brand. So I feel safe ordering it on Amazon. Otherwise, like I said, I can be a little leery of like, where is this coming from? Like, what shop is it coming from? But these I know are safe. So Revision Skincare, the Nectifirm, it is amazing. I've been using it for years now. I've gone through bottles of this. My mom uses it. I love it. It is the best neck cream. You know you're old when you're using neck cream, but it is so good. I didn't realize how like crepey and just like dry and like wrinkly my neck was until I started using Nectifirm, and I was like, oh my gosh, my neck looks so much better. I mean, you don't really think about your neck. You're always worried about your face, right? But you don't think about your neck, and that shows signs of aging, and the Nectifirm is amazing. So I highly suggest this. This is the advanced version. There's also just a plain Nectifirm. I wanted to try out the advanced, and I really like it. So I will link the advanced and the original neck to firm down below in case you want to check it out. You want to add a neck cream to your skincare. This one is the best. All right, next, I had to pull this out because I cannot live without this stuff at this time of year. My hands always get so dry. I can lather on hand cream and hand cream and hand cream, but it just doesn't work in the winter. I don't know what it is. I think it's genetic because my mom has the same thing. We get such dry hands that we get like split fingers and we start bleeding and it just like hurts. Your hands just hurt. And this stuff is the only thing that really, really repairs my hands when I get to that point. And it's the working hands. I can't live without it. I get it off of Amazon. I'm almost out of mine actually. And it just, I mean, like literally I will have like my hands will like pound and because they'll hurt so bad, and I will lather that stuff on and the next morning my hands are just like back to normal and they don't hurt and they're not as dry. So I love the working hands, highly suggested if you haven't. I think they have one for feet too. I should probably try that out. But this is the only thing that works for my hands. All right, last up from Amazon is a tanning mitt. I get quite a few of these throughout the year and I love the shape of this one because it has a little thumb. It's really, really convenient because you can like really just like, I feel like you can get in crevices better when you're applying self tanner. So I really, really like it. And it is so soft, really nice and velvety, like really nice quality, and it's super inexpensive too. So love this tanning mitt. If you're in need of some good tanning mitts for your self tanner, the Amazon mitt is the way to go. Alright guys, so that is it for my top Amazon beauty favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Stay and subscribe if you're not, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.